What's up, guys? Welcome to brobeatz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Juice Wrld type beat. So let's get started. Any BPM between 150 160 is good. I'm using 162 because I've just been using that BPM lately and it works for me. So yeah, so with these I'm going to show you my sounds, well, my sound, but I'm going to be using a guitar just because that's what everyone likes to use for these type of beats. So this is a preset and everything, and I'm going to do this sound selection live because I think that's important that you know what type of sounds to use. And I know I usually just select them before I start recording whatever, but this time I'm just gonna do it live. So I'm gonna pull in the scale. Let's do sharp. All right. Okay, I'm gonna pull in FL keys and we're gonna build our melody here because we don't have a sound that we want for these here. As you can see, we don't have a sound yet. So let's make this melody. And with this melody, I'm gonna create bounce in the melody instead of just making, instead of just making melodies like this, I'm gonna put it, somewhat like this maybe, right? Which will give it more bounce. And I'm gonna make more complex chords. So you'll see me kind of use I'll probably just use the same notes. So I'll just do something like this and pull this down. All right, stuff like this. It'll look complex, but it won't really be. So let's just get started into this, and I'm gonna just build some chords real quick and explain later. So let's do this. All right, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna just copy this over so it's a little bit longer, just not a quick loop. So we got our main melody down. So now let's go find a sound for this. And we can kind of delete this now. And the idea, the type of sounds I'm gonna be looking for are just soft sounds, stuff that's in the background because the guitar is gonna be there. So I don't want everything to mesh, what am I trying to say? I don't want everything to kind of clash. I don't know why I said mesh. I don't want everything to clash. So let's look for something. All right, I like that one. So let's actually turn this down a bit and take some of that bass out. Okay, let's copy this over here. Let's put this up an octave so it won't clash. All right, and I'll probably pick an ARP. And we can just roll with this one and see. Well, let's see. This is my favorite one. Okay, that one definitely sounds better to me. Let's turn that down. All right, so I like that. So now let's take our original melody and I'm gonna copy this over here to our guitar and I'm gonna delete the second part. And then really all you have to do, I'm just gonna hold Alt and then drag it over. And then we just stretch this one out and we're good to go. Let's see, that might be too low. Let's put this up an octave. All right, so now what we could do, well, actually, let's kind of mix this a little bit. All right, so what we can do is put some halftime on it. You can use gross beat, but this is the one that I use. Let's just put it on all of them just to see if we like it. Okay. And all right, so now let's use this. I was thinking of it like a synth bass would be nice, but since I'm using a guitar, we can just use this one. Yeah, we can just use that, and let's just use this to make our bass. And I might use, what note did I use? G sharp, so let's use the G sharp here. Obviously this part would be like the lower or slower part of the song, so we can mute this and let's do our 808, and we can just cut. We can really just, well, let's see if this is, that might be too low for our 808. And why won't it move up? Okay, I guess it just won't move up, so we'll do it manually, and we can just cut this in the areas where we need it, like right here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. That should be good. Turn the velocity up a bit. All right, so I like that. That was pretty easy. Now the easiest part, the drums. And all we're gonna do is just kind of feel for everything, right? And then what I'm gonna do to create bounce is just kind of put everything in its own place. So if I have a clap here, probably put something there, then like the kick and, you know, hi-hats and stuff, right? So I should keep these two here. these perks to fill in the, the gaps. So now let's just right click, fill each 2 steps. Now you could do something crazy here, but I feel like there's no need to do anything crazy with the hi-hats. So I'm just gonna add hi-hat rolls in here. All right. And then you should have like your basic beat here. And of course the hi-hats do that. So let's go and delete this side. You can add some extra stuff in there too, Do whatever you like. So that's pretty much it for the beat. Super simple. Just make sure you keep it simple and make everything sounding, everything is sounding great and good together. So let's see what these sound like together. Hopefully it meshes well. I actually want to see what this space. Okay, I really like that. So it should sound good with the bass. Let's put everything out here. And then I will have the arrangement tutorial after this. So I'll probably use this guitar bass in that tutorial and just kind of show you how it should be used, or just some ways you can use it in the beat. So let's actually mute this. Well, we can play it, why not? Oh crap. All right. And then we just play a little bit of it. All right, so here you go. Here's the beat. Oh, just kidding. Hold up. All right, there you go. Here's the beat now. All right, so that's how you make a Juice Wrld type beat, at least the way that I do it. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. Hopefully it helps you out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.